Hello dear fans. Which is the poorest country in the world? The poorest country in the world today is the African country of Burundi. The UN uses three aspects to identify a country with such a level of poverty: education level, life expectancy, and GDP per capita. Burundi is a country of poverty. A small country located between three states: Rwanda, Tanzania, and Congo, without access to the sea and the ocean. But in the southwestern part of Burundi, it is washed by one of the ancient, fresh and deep lakes in the world, Tanganyika. It is inhabited by ethnic groups Tutsi and Hutu. It should be noted that according to official figures, it is Tutsi who are recognized as the tallest people in the world. For men, the average height is 193 centimeters, and for women 175 centimeters. Burundi was formerly colonized by Germany and Belgium. Only in 1962 the state gained independence. For a long time the civil war for power in the country did not subside between the two ethnic groups. Today, the country is relatively calm and is aiming for recovery. The country's GDP per capita is less than $177. While nickel and gold reserves have been found in the area, Burundi cannot climb out of poverty. There are 4 computers, 20 mobile phones, and 4 landline telephones per 1,000 people. The inhabitants feed mainly on beans, corn, and rice. They eat a lot of fruits: bananas, passion fruit, mango. There is practically no meat in the diet, but there is fish that is caught in Tanganyika. More than half of the population suffers from malnutrition, many die of hunger and AIDS. The people of Burundi are engaged in agricultural activities. Because of this, many trees have been cut down. There is no asphalt in the country. There are small pieces in the capital, Bujumbura. Tourists come here to see local attractions, the Parliament building and the building of the colonial administration. There is one institution of higher education throughout the country. There are very few doctors. There is only one doctor per 37,000 inhabitants. The country is in dire need of highly qualified specialists. Almost all the able-bodied population of the state is engaged in agriculture. Coffee, cotton, tea, hides are exported from the country. General information. According to official UN figures, the 15 poorest countries are located in Africa. The poorest state in Asia is East Timor, and the top 3 also include Afghanistan and Nepal. The poorest country in Latin America is Haiti, and in Europe, Moldova. Moving out of the list of the poorest countries requires an increase in GDP to $900 per capita, and requires progress in education, health, nutrition, and exports. For comparison, the level of GDP per capita in the richest country in the world, Qatar, is almost $100,000. Thanks for watching.